fifth part. We are half in the way of core Java. So in the previous video we have seen about string handling and wrapper classes. So if the previous videos you haven't watched it, just go and watch it, because there will be a link to topic by topic. And also I am in the pre-context I am saying like this is just a revision, or I am just going briefly on topic by topic. It will be just like a quick revision, or you can say it will be like a mind map for you. So in this video we will see about exception handling. So exception handling is nothing but to solve the error, or the approach to handle the error. That's it. So we have three types of errors mainly: uh, compile time errors, and we have runtime errors, and we have logical errors. So when it comes to compile time, the compiler itself will give us the idea like how to solve the error. When it comes to runtime, we will have the errors while running the program, and we need to look into the errors, and system may help briefly or lightly. And we have logical errors. This won't show by the it won't shows by the shown by the system. It will be based on us. We need to handle them based on the output. So these are about errors, and the runtime errors are called the exceptions. Exception means runtime error. So okay, exception means runtime errors. Runtime errors. And then what about errors mainly? Error is nothing but it may be a programming mistake. So we have in the exception handling, we have some two types of exceptions. First one is checked, and the second one is unchecked. So the checked exception is whenever we extend the exception class, it comes to checked exception. Whenever we extend runtime exception, it comes to unchecked exception. So in this mainly, checked exception should be handled with try catch blocks or throws class. Unchecked exception may or may not be handled. It is programmer optional. And we have some keywords. These are main keywords to handle exception: try, catch, throw, throws, finally. So we have all these keywords. So when it comes to try, I am just going brief on it. When it comes to try, it checks for the error. When it comes to catch, it finds the error, and almost we provide a mechanism in the catch, it will handle it. After that, throw, it is used to pass an object of the exception class to catch block. So throw is nothing but it will pass the exception class object to this catch block. That means when exception is whenever exception occurs, it will pass this exception class object. After that we have throws. It is used to apply exception on a method, and also it handles the exception. And finally, this is the last keyword, finally is used to perform some cleanup activities in the program. And even if the finally block speciality is that even error occurs or exception occurs in the program, finally block will be executed. That means if I write a statement like the program is completed in the finally block, it will execute whatever the consequences or whatever the errors may be in it. So these are the main keywords. So I will write some star in it. These are all important. And after that we have a special feature, that is in catch. So it is a mechanism. So catch with multiple exception statements. So we have seen like one catch block uh, handles only one exception, but by using this we can handle multiple exceptions. So after that we have one method, important method. uh, so I will write into it, print stack trace. So this is the method. It traces the error. It traces the error, or you can say exception. Print stack trace. So after that we can define our own. So user defined checked or unchecked exceptions. We can define our own user defined checked or unchecked exceptions. If we want to define checked exception, we must extend the exception class. Whenever we want to define our user defined unchecked exceptions, we need to extend the runtime exception class. So I will write, so checked extends exception class. Yes sir. So and unchecked exception, see it is about checked exception, and now unchecked exceptions, it will extend runtime exception class. So whenever we want to define our own user defined checked or unchecked exceptions, we need to follow this. So here we go, we came to conclusion of part 5. So in the video I have included one trophy image. So it is about exception handling. So we will see about more content in next video.